We all have seen how British newspapers and media cry foul over Indian press under danger. But what if I tell you that the same ecosystem has striped off the honors of two British Indian community members just because one of them voiced his concern over heinous attacks on Hindus in Bangladesh, and the other's one mistake was that he defended Prime Minister Modi in response to the misleading BBC documentary India the Modi Question, which actually has been banned in India owing to its hateful propaganda against Indian sovereignty. So, as per the announcement by London Gazette, two leading British Indian community figures, Rami Ranger and Anil Bhanot, have been striped off their prestigious honours received through the King of England. Starting off with Tory peer Rami Ranger. He is a multi-billionaire businessman who was accorded with Commander of the Order of the British Empire in 2016 for his services to British business and community work. Like I mentioned in the beginning, Lord Ranger is accused of defending Prime Minister Modi over the hateful BBC documentary, and also complaint has been filed against him by Sikhs for Justice terror organization. Gurpatwant Singh Pannun, the founder of SFJ, had sued Ranger for suggesting that SFJ is funded by the enemies of India. Just imagine, UK is using information from a pro-Khalistan terror organization like SFJ as an evidence to stripe a British Indian man of his prestigious honor. This is how UK acknowledged freedom of speech in their country. Next, coming to Anil Bhanot. So he is a managing trustee of the Hindu Council UK and a Leicester-based accountant who was awarded with Officer of the Order of the British Empire for his efforts in community cohesion. Bhanot has been accused of Islamophobia owing to his media post on X where he expressed concerns over violence against Hindus in Bangladesh in 2021, and guess who has filed complaint against Bhanot? It's the dubious Islamic website 5 Pillars, whose social media accounts has been withheld in India due to their anti-India and anti-Hindu content. Interestingly, the deputy director of 5 Pillars UK, Dili Hussain, had once tried to mobilize support from Pakistanis and Bangladeshi Muslims over the Karnataka hijab controversy and had called for turning India Islamic. Bhanot had in fact written an apology as well to 5 Pillars, stating that he made those comments in empathy with Hindu victims during a period when temples were being destroyed and the minority Hindu community was being attacked. But nevertheless, it seems there is no one to listen to them, as both Ranger and Bhanot have expressed concerns over free speech and the fairness of honours system in the UK, which they feel is influenced by politicians. It is high time that West first practices what it preaches, as such bizarre accusations can affect the recognition of people who have made significant contributions for the society. Thank you for watching. If you like our content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, The Pamphlet.